Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'll guide you through the process of creating your own Flash token on both the ERC20 and TRC20 networks. For this project we'll need a small investment of 0.12 ETH, which will allow us to generate approximately 70,000 Flash USDT tokens. Let's dive in. First, head over to Remix and create a new file named usdt.sol. Paste the code provided in the description into this file. Next, navigate to the compilation section and select version 0.6.6 plus before clicking on the compile button. You should see a confirmation that the compilation was successful. Now let's move to the deployment section. Start by connecting your wallet. Wallet Connect is a great option, but I recommend using MetaMask as it tends to work more smoothly than other wallets. In the token name field, enter the name of your token, for example, USDT, and in the token symbol field, specify the network type. Use ERC20 for Ethereum tokens or TRC20 for Tron tokens. When you're ready, click the Transact button. A window will pop up where you should round your amount to the nearest integer to prevent any gas-related issues during transaction confirmation. Once done, wait for the confirmation. If everything goes well, you'll see a successful confirmation message indicating that your contract has been created. To verify that it's legitimate, I'll show you the contract details. Next, we need to fund our contract, copy the contract address, and transfer 0.12 ETH to it. Remember, sending a lesser amount could lead to complications. After sending, wait for the transaction to confirm. Once confirmed, keep an eye on the balance display. Now, click the Start button and again, round your value to a whole number before confirming the transaction. You should see that your tokens are being created. The final step is to withdraw them. Just click withdraw and follow the same procedure as before. Wait for confirmation once more. Everything should be confirmed now. Let's check our balance to see that our tokens have been successfully created. If you encounter any issues or have questions, feel free to reach out to me on Telegram.